So today I want to talk about the OBM12, the Remedio machine for myopia management. I run a successful myopia clinic, and as we all know, in myopia, the most important thing that our children have to be monitored for axial length annually or sometimes biannually. Now, I have used many A-scan machines, and the issue with A-scan machines is that you need your staff to have a learning curve, and sometimes the machines take time, especially in children, and also sometimes the reliability factor is a big issue because even a zero point 0.2 millimeter in axial length and myopia makes a difference. With the Remedio machine, which I've been using now for a long time, I find three main things in that. One is it's extremely accurate. So I have studied it and compared it with other A-scan machines, and accuracy is a huge factor here. Second is it gives you reliable progressive maps which help you counsel your patients basically and their parents about what are you planning to do and how does your treatment help in myopia management. And the third is there is just no learning curve. It's an automated machine. So you just make the child put the chin there and both the eyes are checked in less than 10 seconds, I would say. So overall, my happiness with getting this machine for my myopia clinic and management of pediatric myopia has really given me huge rewards. So this is the machine, and as we know, this is the screen which can be rotated to any side. I have few of my patients here where we have all the data, and if you generate report very easily, the report is generated, and you will be able to show the parents everything about their child and also about how to manage what are the curves and what is the child actually seeing here. So these give a very clear picture for the patient and the parents, and the device, as you know, is very easy to use and quick and accurate.